Hey everyone, welcome to this update of Power Option Playback, which is for the week of the 27th of January 2025. Hope you're having a great day. As we get started, keep in mind that everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. Every one of the setups that we talk about are all non-funded trades as example purposes only. All right, so we're going to start off with booking. That was the very first trade that came off this week. And that was on the 21st. 21st was Tuesday. So we're going to go back here. This is Tuesday, okay? So on booking, we had this gap down and we failed. Now, I want you to notice that if we take this off the screen, get rid of Tuesday, just go back to Monday, my moving average was right at the fib line, right there, okay? So we gapped down slightly and then ran. So if we go back and look at a 5-minute candle and we're looking for the 21st, right? So you can see we just ran down. We broke to the downside right here. There's the fib line. We gapped back up and failed off of there. What a beautiful setup on booking from Tuesday, but we would have been taken out at this, let's see, what level do we get taken out at? 47. See that? So we've been taking out this at 47.67 3/4, which is off of this line here. So we did not get to take advantage of all of this, but that's not how pop works. Power option plays, we go to the next target. We could put a runner on there, and that's a personal decision. But power option plays is meant that you're here to learn exactly how to identify these trades. We all get in at the same place. We all get out at the same place. We either use ending day price for our close, and that's where we get out at, or we get out if it hits a target, and in this case, because of the price of the stock, it's $5 up above that target. So first trade was excellent as far as booking goes. We have 9 of them, by the way, for this week. All right, Coinbase was our next one. That was also on the 21st, so that was right in here. So on Coinbase, we were already up at a resistance level. We gapped up, ran higher into this blue zone, and failed. So let's go look at Coinbase on the same day, on the 21st, right in here, and we're looking for the bullish entry, right? We were at resistance, we failed, we closed right near support, we bounced, trade taken, exited just before that resistance level. So we're in and out, again, all of these were day trades. We're in and out the same day. We got in at 275.25, we got out at 296.5. Life is good, right? CrowdStrike is number 3, sorry. Number 3, that was also on the 21st, which is right here. So we had closed here, we gapped up, and then we pulled back down. And that's what we did. We took the bounce off the 358 level. So let's go look at that here. So we ran down, we moved up, we retested, and we bounced, right? And we're out right before the next fib line, which took us out right about 11:20 in the morning or so. So 360. Yeah, it's easier to do it this way. So we're in at 360. We're out at 365 3/4. Good setup. That was a 10 trade contract. They all were 10 contract trade, except booking. That was 4 contracts. All right, Home Depot is next. So let's go look at Home Depot on the daily chart. And that trade was the last one on the 21st. Okay. So let's see, 21st is right here, right? So what happened? We closed here and we gapped up to that 413 level. Let's see how we reacted at that 413 on the 21st. So a 5-minute chart shows that it just ran, right? And we go over to a 1-minute candle and go back to the 21st. It's a little work to get back to this one, but well worth it. We opened up, we pulled back, and we bounced on the 1-minute candle. So we're in on that 3rd minute of the day on Home Depot. And again, Home Depot, we're in at 415. We're out of 418.5. So good day. The 21st was a very good day for us. Killer trade on booking. That's where we had the biggest profit for the week, was on that one. And anytime booking makes a run, it's going to be your biggest profit, period. Amazon, no, let's see. Let's skip that one. CrowdStrike. We did another trade on CrowdStrike on the 22nd. I've got 2 of the dates mixed up there. Let's see, CrowdStrike, WD. There we go. 22nd. which is right here. So we closed here, we opened up, pulled back, and bounced. What did the pullback look like on a 5-minute chart for the 22nd? So here's CrowdStrike. We pulled back, we ran up, we retested, we bounced, we're in, right? So CrowdStrike, and again, we're going to skip the line because I got the dates out of order for Amazon and CrowdStrike. Just didn't sort them properly. So CrowdStrike, we're in at 368 3/4, and we're out at 375.5. Another great trade setup for CrowdStrike. All right, next is Amazon. So Amazon is the 23rd. So it's the first trade we're going to look at for the 23rd, which is right here. Right? So we closed here, we opened up here, we ran down and bounced. What does the bounce look like? That's the critical component here. How does the bounce look? So we're looking at 23rd. So let's bring this forward a little bit more. We ran down, we just took off. We retested, look, we closed right here, right? Retested that level, came back to it again here. So by the 10-10 candle, we got that bounce, right? So let's go back to the daily chart. We did not get anywhere near a fib line, which was all the way up here. So we did not get taken out early. We'd be taken out at the end of the day. 15 minutes prior to the close is when we want to set the exit for. So on Amazon, we're in at 234. We're out at 235. It's a good move. I'll take it. It's only $1, but hey, better on the plus side than the negative side. The last one for today is NVIDIA. And you'll notice that all the symbols are on the left side. Those are the 20 stocks that we traded at Power Option Plays. If you'd like more information about it, guys, we'll leave a link down below to POP or Power Option Plays. On NVIDIA, also on the 23rd. So what happened? We closed here. We opened right at support, just above it. Pulled back and bounced. Did it give us the bounce? If it doesn't give us the bounce, we're not interested in the trade. So we ran up. We closed here. We opened here. So we gapped up. My bad. We gapped down, right? Closed lower, opened where we were, retested, and bounced. We're in the trade. All right, so we're in NVIDIA at 145, and we're out at 146 3/4 on NVIDIA. Where did we get the 146 3/4? Where did it close? 146.79. We're good, okay? 147.10. So we're out at 146 3/4. Goldman Sachs is from Friday. So Goldman Sachs, we got a gap down and then a move back up. How did we play out the 633.44 is really what it comes down to. So let's go see what Friday looks like for Goldman Sachs. That's the 24th. So we gapped down, we ran, we retested. We came up, we came back down, we came back up, we came back down, we came back up. There's plenty of opportunities of retest in here, retest in here. So the trade was a perfect setup for us. So on Goldman, we're in at 634.5. We're out at 637. Overall, again, really good move. And the last one is Netflix. It's been a while on Netflix. They're getting very expensive. This gap up really was not an exciting thing for me. I'm not a big fan of it, but on Netflix, it was Friday, right? So we closed here, we opened here, we ran all the way down to the 968 level and bounced. The question is, how did the bounce look off of the 968, right? That bounce came in right here. We closed right there at 210. Our edict, our rules require that if the trade sets up anywhere between the open and noon, and then 1:30 and 2:45. Those are our trading times. Anything after 2:45, we can't take the trade. Well, that trade set up right there on this candle, if I can get my mouse on it, at 2:15. So we've got to take the trade. It sets up, right? So we take the bounce off of there. We're in at 969, and we're out at 977.5, which is, again, 15 minutes prior to the market closing. So this was an exceptional week, guys. We did not have any trades go against us. Almost half of the trades, the P&L from these example trades, all came from booking, 27,000. With the exception of that and one Coinbase trade, everything else was more of an average trade, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000. More of an inline normal trade. But it was a $66,000 week. It's the best week we've had yet this year. You can see we started off very slow, but we only had really 2 days the first week because the first was a Wednesday, right? But overall, we're doing okay, right? We got a decent P&L going on. We've got, of our trades, let's see, we've got 30, let's call it 29, call it 30 trades, and 4 have gone against us. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 1, 8. So about an 80%, 78% win rate, something like that. I might be off on my percentages. But anyway, everybody, let me bring this one back up. Share this with you one last time. Again, everything is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. This is making the assumption you followed every single rule the exact way that we teach it. You were sitting there or had your orders in place when the market hit and triggered on those prices. So go ahead, learn these strategies, really, really dig into them. If you notice, we only take pullbacks. We do not take breakouts. And that, I think, is what's made us, our system be so works so well, because we only take the pullback. We don't take that breakout. Have a great rest of your day. I will see you at our next update. Bye for now.